You class 10th physical science, that is a sign conventions. Sign convention. Sign means positive sign and negative sign. Sign convention. Okay. So first point, object should be placed left hand side always. Object is where compared to the curved surface. Okay. Curved surface left side the object always we have to place. Object, what is that? Object should be placed left hand side always, this side, okay, not right side, left side compared to the coated surface. And then all the distance are measured from pole. From where we have to pole is here, from pole to always we have to measure the object. From pole to where is the object, how much distance length taking the object. And then coming to third point, second is what, all the distance are measured from the pole. From pole to object we have to always measure, okay, starting, okay, length. And then third one, the distance in the direction of incident ray taken as positive and opposite direction means the reflection ray taken as negative. Suppose what is that? Okay, this is the pole, and then that is what is that, center of curvature or whatever the focal point, whatever that. But this is the incident ray, you know, that is the incident ray you have to. So third point, what, the distance in the direction of incident ray, okay, this is the incident ray, okay, always we have to take place means positive. The distance in the direction of incident ray, this distance direction incident ray we have to take it as positive, and the reflection back whatever that, okay, like that we can say that is we have to take, but that is negative, yeah. Remember what is that, incident ray, okay, that is we have to take positive, and then reflection back the ray means that opposite directions, okay, incident opposite directions taking the ray, then we can take that is a negative, you have to remember, okay. And then coming to fourth point, height of the object and height of the image taken as positive place. Height of the object, height, and what is it, height of the image height, okay, some image height, both are we have to take positive and place and above positive principal axis, okay. And then what is the, and positive principal axis, okay, and positive, okay, principal axis taken as negative below the principal axis means what, this is suppose this is the principal axis means what, okay, the line draw through the center of curvature and principal axis, okay, the line, this line, okay, the line draw through the center of curvature and principal axis, pole, center of curvature and pole, we can say this is line is principal axis. Remember, principal axis what, through the center of curvature and pole line drawing, this line is called principal axis. We know that this is previous explained already. And then what is the meaning, okay, what they saying, the height of the image taken as, height of the object and height of the image taken as positive place and above positive axis means above the principal axis you have to take positive, and the principal axis taken as negative below the principal axis, okay. When below the principal axis we have to take, that is the negative, okay. What is the fourth point? Above the principal axis we have to take, that is a positive, and below the principal axis we have to take, that is a negative. Clear? That is the fourth point in the sign convention. The fourth point is very important about the sign convention. Clear? Then coming to mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, okay, or you can write like that also, 1 by f is equal to 1 by u place 1 by v. If you place will change in your, okay, nothing will happen. Or you can write here f is equal to then, okay, uv by, okay, u plus, okay, u plus v. We can write three ways. What is the f? F means what? F means that is a focal length. Focal length. You have to remember this formula. That problem also give depending on that this formula, mirror formula. F means focal length, and then V means what is that? Image distance. P means image distance. Okay, U means object distance. Okay, U means object distance. You have to remember mirror formula. What is that? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Or this, any one you can write also. And the f means what? Focal length. You know focal length. Already previously I explained in the figure. Image distance and object distance also. Okay, clear? This is the mirror formula. And coming to magnification. Okay. Magnification. Okay, coming to magnification, that is I am after you. Okay, coming to magnification. Okay, what is the magnification? The ratio of height of the image and height of the, okay, height of the object. What is the ratio of height of the image and height of the object, or you can write the ratio of the negative of image, negative of image distance, image distance and object distance. What is that? Magnification, the ratio of height of the image and height of the object, or you can write a ratio of the negative image distance and object, both negative image of distance, negative image of object distance. Okay, that is you can write m is equal to height of the object by height of the image by height of the object. Okay, or you can write minus v by u. What is that here? The ratio. What is the ratio? Magnification. What is that? Depending on this, we can say, okay, this definition. What is it? The ratio of the height of the image by height of the image and height of the object. Okay, or you can say the ratio of the negative. See, negative minus negative of image v can, okay, we can represent v distance and object distance u. Okay, this formula you have to remember. Okay, in that problem also having that. What is the magnifications? If you are asking what is the formula, height of the image by height of the object, or negative image by object distance. You have to remember this formula in the negative, okay, object. Yes, and few point having about that. Okay, I'm writing. What is that? Very important. If the value equal to 1, the size the size of the, if the value is equal to 1, then the size of the image is same, okay, same to object, okay, remember, okay, since, very important, what is the point? If the value is 1, the size of the image is same as object. Size of the image and object is same. Clear? And then the 3 condition is there. M greater than 1. If M greater than 1, you can write that what is the size of image, size of image is more than object, and M is less than 1, then the size of image is less than object. Very important point. And then if, okay, clear, these two you have to remember. What is that? If value is m, okay, value is 1, means m value is equal to 1. What is the condition? M value is equal to 1, then the size of the image is same as object. Since what is the condition? M greater than 1, the size of image is more than object. If you less than, the size of image is less than object. And the sign you have to, this sign representing, what is that? Real image. Remember, very important point. Real inverted, real inverted. Plus representing, what is that? Virtual inverted. Very important this part. Okay, how to remember in objective also. Negative is real inverted, positive is virtual inverted. Okay, inverted. These 2 points how to remember. Okay, right.